Hello, writers. Welcome to Writers Workshop, day one of the blog challenge Earth Day post. So this week you get to write a post that had an informational post where you're teaching others about something that is interesting to you about Earth Day. On the side here are some suggested topics. You don't have to use those, but if you're stuck, you can use that. The criteria due by Friday is you'll have a blog post with an image with 150 words or more. And your goal is to inform readers something about the earth or the environment. And it should be new learning for you. So you don't want to go teach something you already know because that's boring. All right. So that's the goal. The mini lesson for today is choosing a topic. So writers choose a topic that is interesting to them. All right. The work is right here. Read over a topic list. You can use this topic list or you can Google environmental topics, Earth Day topics. You can use those as a source. You can Google other ways to help the earth. Today's work, you want to jot down as many possible ideas that you could research and then star your favorite. Okay, and I've got a couple links here for more topic ideas, and then this one's all about resources for kids. All right, so watch me as I give it a go. I have a handy dandy notebook. You can write on a Google Doc or you can write on paper, whatever you have. In my notebook, I'm going to go ahead and put the date. And for me, it is Sunday, April 19th. And I'm going to write in my notebook, I'm just going to put Earth Day post ideas. And as I look over the possible ideas here, my job is to write down probably 5 ideas that sounds interesting to me, either from the suggested topic list or in your own head. Okay, so watch me as I give it a go. I already know in my brain, I have been wondering about how air pollution has changed since more people are staying at home. So I'm going to jot air pollution changes since COVID. That's one of mine. And so air quality is actually on that list. Another topic that's interesting to me is because I live on the bay, which is right behind me, the Tulalip Bay, I'm always interested in the Dungeness crab because I love crab, and how maybe water pollution in the bay, something about that environment is interesting to me. Another thing that I always, I guess I wonder about is the plastic bags. I know they're bad for the earth, and I know that we're changing. So maybe I'd like to research some more about that because honestly, I do use them a lot. So I need to learn why I need to stop using them. So plastic bags, those grocery bags that you get. Then looking over the list, food security. Let me look on one of these and see how this goes for us. I don't know if it'll let me click on this or not. This is the kids' global issues. Let's see what they have here, if it gives me another idea. Because my goal is to get about 5 ideas and then choose one that is the most interesting. Okay, so this is Kids Go Global Health. Maybe something with water might be interesting. Let me click on this one. So water issues, a global water crisis. So maybe I'll just put water crisis, which I know is not really in our area, but maybe I could research that one further and find out where water is an issue. Because I know like Mr. Palmer went to Malawi and he helped their water issues by making some water systems so that that community could have water. So that's a possibility. Let me see what else looks interesting to me as possible. Possible idea post. Issue resources. What else do we have? This looks like it's going to a whole bunch of things. Wild food's always interesting. Go green. That might have some ideas. Let's see what it says under the Go Green menu. I haven't looked at it until just right now. So with you, I am checking this out. Okay, recycling, how green electricity works. Oh, that reminds me of something. So the word electricity reminds me that I'm very interested in the Teslas. In fact, in our new garage that we're building, we're putting a plug-in for an electric car. So electric cars is a topic I might want to write a post about, especially the Tesla. So I'll add that to my list. Okay, so going back to our thing, I now have 5 things on my list, and it might be backwards. I don't know if you can read that or not. So on my list, I have air pollution, changes since COVID, Dungeness crab, and water pollution in the Tulalip Bay, plastic bags. I would like to research that one possibly. The water crisis, thinking of Malawi and where Mr. Palmer went, and then electric cars. How does that help or hurt, or what does it do for our environment? Okay, so those are my 5 ideas. So I read over the topic list. I Googled some other ways to help the earth. I did number 3, jotted down some possible ideas, and then starring my favorite. I'm going to think on this, but I think my best thinking right now for the moment, I've got 2. So I'm going to start 2, and then I'm going to think about it. And in the next video, you'll find out if I chose air pollution changes since COVID. That's interesting to me. Or the Tesla. Electric cars is interesting to me. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. It's your turn to give this a go. You do the same work that I did. Challenge yourself to do it as fast as I did. Quickly get 5 ideas. Remember, if you don't have an idea, use the resources to get a topic idea. Your job is to write 5, take a picture, or put it on a Google Doc, and show me in Google Classroom under Reading and Writing, blog challenge number 5, Earth Day post. All right, writers, today and every day for the rest of your writing life, remember that writers choose a topic that's interesting to you. Make this fun for yourself. What do you want to learn more about? That's what writers do. Happy writing.